Joe, Beermaster the Car Master. Today we have a 2018 Honda Pilot. They tried to break into the cylinder. There's a cylinder. I already put the other one in, but I'm going to show you how to take it out. It's pretty simple. So if you open the door, you'll see a little cap here. And we're going to take that out of the jam. Right there. You may have to use a screwdriver. And in there is a 10 millimeter. So we're going to put 10 millimeter in there and loosen it up. You don't want to take it all the way out. Well, I took it out, but that's not what you should do. If you do, be careful you don't lose the nut. That's just a regular 10. Sometimes they have a special screw. That one doesn't. And you just wiggle it out. And we put the new one in. Now we had this comes with a key that'll work, but it's not the same key that matches the key fob. So the customer of this car wanted it matching, so we had to key code it. So we're going to get the new one. We're going to put it in, just like that. Then we're going to put that 10 millimeter screw in there. That little hole again, that's what holds it. And then we're going to pop the cap on. Now sometimes you have to put the cap on first. If it doesn't, once we tighten that up and it doesn't go on, then you might want to try putting the cap on first and then putting the screw in. So in this case, it was difficult to get the cap on after I installed it, so I just clicked the cap on. Now we're going to slide that in. Alright, sometimes you have to open the handle a little bit, but that went right in. So I'm going to put that 10 millimeter screw back in there. I'm going to put a little sticky dum-dum on there onto this screw so it doesn't fall off my socket there. And then that job's done. So I put a little sticky stuff on there. I'm going to put it on the socket. I'm trying to do this with one hand. Then I'm going to hold this in and then put the screw in and tighten it. Make sure we're going in the right direction. And once that's tight, job is done. Whole thing should take just a couple minutes. Joe Beermaster the Car Master. That's it. Just tighten it. Thank you for watching. And please subscribe. All is good. You can test the key. Should test it before you close it, but that's okay. Everything will be good. We'll test the valet key. All right, it works. Try it one more time. Lock it. Put the key in. And there you go. Another quick job.